Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by identifying your domain registrar and DNS host for verification access. Log into the registrar or DNS control panel to manage DNS records. Create a DNS TXT record using the exact verification string provided by your service. Set the TTL to 3,600 seconds for faster propagation and save the record immediately. Wait between 30 minutes and 48 hours for DNS changes to propagate globally. Return to the service and click the verification button to complete ownership verification. Determine whether your provider requires a TXT record or a CNAME record for verification. For a TXT record, enter the host exactly as instructed and paste the verification string in quotes. An example record would be domain. com.txt verify equals ABC123 with TTL 3,600 seconds. If a CNAME is required, point the provided host to the target name exactly. Use the DNS editor in Cloudflare, cPanel, or Route 53 to add records. Save changes and confirm the record appears in your DNS list. If verification fails, use DIG or ENS lookup to confirm the TXT or CNAME record presence. Check the record from multiple public resolvers after waiting 30 minutes to 48 hours. Flush your local DNS cache and try a different DNS resolver to rule out caching issues. Confirm you updated the correct subdomain or root domain as instructed by the service. If propagation still fails, contact your registrar support and provide a screenshot of the DNS record. Remove verification tokens when they are no longer needed to maintain security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.